Growing your Instagram following is easier than ever these days. Here's an example to prove it. An Instagram page gained over 500,000 followers in just 1 week. Yes, you heard that right. 500,000 followers in just 7 days by posting simple, engaging videos. Every post on this page is racking up an incredible number of views. Let me show you some examples.
Mira, bobo, ¿qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo, anda para allá.
Now, let me guide you on how to achieve similar results using AI. Watch this video till the end to learn the 4 simple steps to creating content like this. First, start by writing a creative prompt for the images. To do this, go to ChatGPT using the link in the description. Here, we'll create 3 different prompts for image generation. For example, 1. Cristiano Ronaldo cooking. 2. Lionel Messi eating noodles with his World Cup trophy. 3. Messi and Ronaldo in the same picture, smiling happily together. To get started, ask ChatGPT to write a detailed prompt for an image of Cristiano Ronaldo in a Real Madrid jersey cooking a meal. Type this request, then click Send. ChatGPT will generate a precise prompt for you. Next, request a prompt for Lionel Messi eating noodles with his World Cup trophy. Once ChatGPT generates it, move on to the final prompt, an image of both Messi and Ronaldo smiling in the same picture. Copy each of these prompts and save them in a document for later use. Now it's time to convert these prompts into actual images. Visit Ideogram through the link in the description and sign up with your Google account. Paste the first prompt from ChatGPT into Ideogram. Select the aspect ratio 9:16 for Instagram or 16:9 for YouTube, and click Generate. Wait a few seconds and your image will be ready. Check the result, and if it looks good, click the 3 dots on your profile to download it as a JPEG. Repeat this process for the other 2 prompts. Paste each one, select the aspect ratio, and generate and download the images. Once you have your images, it's time to animate them. Visit Hailuo AI using the link in the description. This will redirect you to MiniMax, where you can sign up with your Google account. Upload the images you created with Ideogram, add your animation prompt, and click Create. Within a minute, your animated video will be ready. Check the output, and if it meets your expectations, download it. Repeat these steps for the other images to generate individual animated videos. Finally, combine all the clips into one cohesive video. Open CapCut and import your video clips. Drag and drop them into the timeline and edit as needed. Trim, crop, add transitions, music, or text to make your video engaging. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click Export, and your final video is ready to share.
Yummy. Mira, bobo, ¿qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo.
That's it! With these simple steps, you can start creating high-quality content to grow your Instagram following quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips, tricks, and tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need more guidance, drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.